Hey everybody, today we're working on Junior Level 3 chords and rhythm, okay, and we're using the three chords we learnt in our chord lesson, those of E major, A major and D minor, okay. So hopefully you've had a chance to work on those chords a little bit and get familiar with the shapes, because we need to do that in order to work through these chord exercises, okay. So exercise number 11, as you look in your books, we had the chord of E for the first bar. We have the chord of A for the second bar, and let's look at the rhythm, okay. In that very first bar we can see that if we were scratching that rhythm, okay, we would have 1 and 2 3 4. That's our first bar. The second bar has a 16th note up front, okay, so the second bar is 1 A and A 2 3 4, okay. So together those two bars rhythm sound like this. We have 1 and 2 3 4 and 1 A and A 2 and 3 4. Again, this is exercise 11. So grab your guitar, let's play that together. What I'd like you to do is put your take your left hand or your fretting hand, place it across the strings of the guitar. Don't press down, just rest them really lightly, so when you strum with your pick you get a sort of a washboard scratchy effect. No notes come out, okay? And then we're going to be counting in and playing that rhythm, okay? Now what I'd like you to try and do is keep this arm moving all the way through the exercises, okay? Big arms, that's what we're after here, okay? So we're going to count in. 1 2 3 4. Here we go. 1 and 2 3 4. 16th notes. 1 A and A 2 3 4. Let's do that again. 1 2 3 4 and 1 and 2 3 4. 1 A and A 2 and 3 and 4. And I would loop this exercise a few times with the scratching technique, as I would call it, to get this down before we add the chords. So now, adding the chords, we're going to have E major on the first bar, which will sound like this. 1 and 2 3 4. We will then change straight away to the A major chord, and we get 1 A and A 2 3 4. Okay, so here we go. Counting in 1 2 3 4 and 1 and 2 3 4 and 1 A and A 2 3 4. Back to E. 1 and 2 3 4 A. 1 A and A 2 3 4. Back to E. 1 and 2 3 4. Over to A. 1 A and A 2 3 4. Back to E. 1 and 2 3. Over to A and 1 A and A 2 3 4. And that's exercise 11. Now, if this is tricky for you, then you're quite welcome to break this into two parts. Work on the E chord first with the strumming, work on the A chord then with a slightly different strumming with the 16th notes, and then work to put the two together. Okay, but that's exercise 11 for you. Exercise 12, if you take a look at the rhythm, you'll see the rhythm is the same as exercise 11, which we just worked on with the scratching, and we worked on that with the E and the A chord. This time we're going to play the D minor chord first, okay, followed by the A chord. So we're going to end up with this. 1 2 3 4 and 2 3 4 and 2 3 4. Okay, so let's slow that down a little bit, and we're going to break it down. Let's try and count in together. Here we go. 1 2 3 4 and 1 and 2 3 4 and 1 A and A 2 3 4. Back to D minor. 1 and 2 3 4. 1 A and A 2 3 4. Back to D minor. 1 and 2 3 4 and 1 A and A 2 3 4. D minor again. 1 and 2 3 4 A. 1 A that's exercise 12. Again, break these into 2 exercises if you need to, and then work to combine that on the lessons.